Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to use effects on Snapchat. Enhancing your snaps with fun and creative effects is a great way to add personality and flair to your photos and videos. Here's how you can do it. Start by opening the Snapchat app on your Android device. Ensure that your face is within the camera frame to enable face tracking for effects. Navigate to the capture button, which looks like a circle, and swipe left or right to browse through the available effects. From filters and lenses to stickers and animations, there's a wide range of effects to choose from. Once you find an effect that catches your eye, simply tap on it to apply it to your face in real time. Watch as the effect transforms your appearance and adds a touch of creativity to your snap. After capturing your snap with the desired effect, you can further customize it by adding text, drawings, or other creative elements using the editing tools provided by Snapchat. Once you're satisfied with your creation, you can send your snap to your friends directly or post it to your story for all your followers to see and enjoy. By using effects on Snapchat, you can elevate your storytelling and communication with engaging visuals that reflect your style and personality. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you unleash your creativity and make your snaps stand out with the diverse range of effects available on Snapchat. Have fun experimenting and adding a touch of magic to your photos and videos.